Hi, I'm Selvin. I pursued my bachelor's in Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Architecture, Mumbai, and later went on to work for 3 years in Kolkata and Kochi before joining for my master's in Architectural Tectonics program at CEPT. The course is structured in a way that helps the students to engage in various modes of architectural practices, especially in Southeast Asia. SEP then further gives a platform for these dialogues through diversities that each individual brings here, through interesting formats of events, workshops, talks, etc., while also equipping us with skills for practical grounds. For me personally, hands on engagement, especially at SEPT workshop, and further having dealt with possibilities of materiality in studio projects, is an interesting aspect. Now, in the final semester, I am working with communities in Old Ahmedabad and further bringing my agency to work with them through whatever I have learned in my program for previous 1.5 years. During my foundation semester, I had designed vertical sliding systems for a window module as a studio project output, which later got recognized as intellectual property right, that is design registration. This IPR design registration was made possible by support from Strategic Initiatives Office in the university, which facilitates the exemplary student work to be registered under IPR. Also, studying at CEPT has helped me develop a progressive mindset in the way I look at my approach towards practice and architecture, and I'm glad I took this opportunity to do so.